Whirlpool presents the PowerClean range of dishwashers with an excellent cleaning performance. It is equipped with the revolutionary PowerClean Pro technology that uses high-pressure spray nozzles which ensure outstanding cleaning results without the need of scrubbing or pre-washing by hand. Powered by the intelligent Sixth Sense technology, the PowerClean range intuitively detects the level of soil present on the dishes and optimizes the cleaning resources accordingly. It also has an innovative PowerClean loading system with 12 foldable racks that provides up to 30% extra space and multiple loading options to clean all your utensils at once. And not just that, the PowerClean range comes with flexible loading solutions of up to 14 place settings. This gives you great usage flexibility, customized loading and a modular third basket so that even the taller and wider items can be placed in the upper rack. The PowerClean Pro has up to 11 intensive wash programs to take care of different washing needs. And it only uses up to 9.5 liters of water while delivering outstanding cleaning results. For those looking for a quick cleaning solution, the PowerClean Pro can express wash in 30 minutes at a high temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. It also comes with a durable and odor-free stainless steel tub, which takes away the dampness from the utensils more effectively. And to top it all, it delivers the powerful performance super quietly with just a 43 dB noise level. It comes with a 2-year comprehensive warranty. To buy PowerClean dishwasher